Hi guys, this is Aurelien, systemeio founder. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create and use coupon codes with systemeio. So it's very easy, you'll see. First of all, you have to go to products, sales, and then coupons. And then you can create a new coupon. So let's say, so the name is like 50% off, you know. The code, so let's say 50 off. Discount type, so here it can be like a fixed amount or a percentage. Let's say it's a percentage, so it's 50% off. The expiration date can be like in 1 week. You can set a limit for the number of views of this coupon, so let's leave it empty because there is no limit. So that's it, I created my first coupon. I can disable it, deactivate it, so I'm gonna leave it like this for now. So that's the first thing. All right, so we created the coupon. It took about 1 minute. Now I'm gonna create a sales funnel to use this coupon. So let's say I create a new one. So I want to sell a product, so coupon. Okay, let's keep it simple. Let's use US United States US dollar. Okay, got it. All right, so you see I have like a payment page and then a thank you page. Okay, so I'm gonna choose a template. I really like this one. Okay, it's really neat and clean. So I'm gonna edit the page. So what you have to do, you have to add a form so that people can redeem the coupon code. Okay, so usually I put it here right below the payment information. So we created a new item here that you can just drag and drop. So that's the form to redeem the coupon code, and that's it. It's in my form now. So I'm gonna save changes, go back, and actually there is one last thing that we need to do is to create here a coupon. So choose one, so fixed amount, percentage. So that's this one, right? So I'm gonna click on save. Let's say resource, let's say I'm gonna, you know, doesn't matter, but so usually what you do in resources, you add resources that are going to be given to the customer after purchase. So usually you add a tag to the contact and you give access to a membership site, or you send an email, automated email with maybe the product that the user purchased, like an ebook or something. So I'm gonna remove it, but you need to have like a offer price plan. So let's create a new one. So it can be like, you know, like ebook, right? Let's use the same. So it's gonna be a one-shot payment. So maybe like $10. Yeah, that's it. So the code is 50 off. So okay, so let's save. Have a look at the page. So yeah, you see right now I'm in Portugal, so that was the default country. But if you set United States, so it's gonna be like $10. So if I write 50 off, apply, yeah, you see I got the discount, 50% off. That's it. So that's it, guys. If you have any question, please leave a comment below the video. In the meantime, you can try systemeio for free for 14 days. You don't even have to enter your credit card details. We think it's the best app in the world to sell online, so we want you to be able to try it out. Just click the link below and you can try it for free. Bye bye.